On group discussion. Today we have one more special invitee here, Mrs. Komal Shah ma'am from Natya Therapy Institute of Vedic Arts. They basically have collaborated with Mumbai Suburban District Legal Services Authority for Community Services. I request ma'am to kindly come on the stage and update us on the unique idea that they are collaborating for. Please ma'am, please kindly come on the stage please and address the crowd.
Hello everyone. I'll be very quick and short. My name is Komal Shah. I run an institute which is called Natya Therapy Institute of Vedic Arts. आपने definitely नाट्य करके नाम सुना होगा. It is coming from a Pancham Veda, and I know what I'm going to talk is nothing connected to the law, but everything which is coming, what is common with whatever I've heard till now is the mind, is the torture, the trauma, the pain, suffering, anger. This सब कुछ I work with all the patients, clients, different kinds of NGOs, people who go through acid attacks, and a lot of other issues, mental issues, autistic, learning disabilities, and definitely the stress which we all go through. But the only weapon which we can deal with everything which I have mentioned is a mind. And I work with the mind power. Rest I don't understand. So how to deal with mind, how to deal with your own fears, doubts, your own anger issues, your own reasons of coming into all these things which are manifested, like juvenile problems, criminal cases, stress, people going through lots of traumatic incidents, violence. This is how I deal with the mind, and I can see a lot of police officers over here. They deal with a lot of real work, going through a lot of reality, working with criminals, how to work with criminals, how to deal with them. They are basically वो आप सब reality को face कर रहे हो, which is bringing a lot of stress in your mind. And वो stress से कैसे detox होता है, कैसे mind release होता है, कैसे release हम करते हैं. This is what I work, and of course working with all different other activities such as NGOs with mentally challenged children, autistic kids, juvenile cases, a lot of people I had worked with who were interning with Hivali sir in his, when I went to Navjeevan and MDC, I could understand that law is a very strong subject, and how to have the power to deal and understand law, and how to encourage and integrate those difficult acts in your sessions, in your brain. That is the work of the left brain and the right brain. So how to activate the logical and the creative mind, and how to become strong, getting that clarity. This is what I work with, and I'm very thankful to Hivali sir to give me this opportunity to work with Mumbai Suburban District Authority. And I'm looking forward to work with lots of people, lots of NGOs, and obviously SMG College, which, as we have mentioned, to promote a healthy mind, which is a mind power, mental health, and I think this would help not to manifest destructive cases in our environment. So the mind is more powerful than everything what we hear, and if the mind is strong, positive and happy, we don't encourage or not, we would never manifest such kind of cases in our life. So thank you very much. Namaste.
आता ग्रुप डिस्कशन तिसऱ्या सत्राला सुरुवात होईल. आपल्या फोल्डर्समध्ये नोटपॅड ठेवले आहेत. तुम्हाला काही प्रश्न किंवा सजेशन्स असतील
तुम्ही त्याच्यावर लिहू शकता आणि तुम्ही तुमचे विचार प्रश्न इथे मांडू शकता.
सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है 2 मिनट का टाइम लेके आप अपने क्वेश्चंस लिख सकते हैं. Whatever questions आपके दिमाग में है रिलेटिंग टू मनोधार्य स्कीम, प्रोसीजर्स, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन रिलेटेड, कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन रिलेटेड, आप वो सारे क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे पूछ सकते हैं. द पैनलिस्ट आर हियर.
माझी एक विनंती आहे की हा जो ग्रुप डिस्कशन आहे तो 5 मिनिटात आटपला पाहिजे. कारण का काय होतं, हा हॉल, हा ऑडिटोरियम जरी कॉलेजचा असला तरी मोनोपॉली चालते आणि 2:30 वाजता माझ्याकडे दुसरा कार्यक्रम आहे. त्यामुळे आम्ही हा प्रॉमिस करून गेलेला आहे की 2:30च्या आधी आम्ही आटपणार आहे. त्यामुळे हे आटपायचं आहे. त्यामुळे वरती जेवण तुम्हाला मिळेल आणि आय हॅव टू वेकेट इट ॲट द अर्लिएस्ट. त्यामुळे आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्पेंड मोर दॅन 5 minutes फॉर दिस ग्रुप डिस्कशन.
काही प्रश्न आहे का आपले? एक मिनिट. मनोधैर्याबद्दल सर्व पोलीस अधिकारी आणि NGOज आहेत. काही अडचणी, अनेक अडचणी येतात आपल्या समोर आणि त्या अडचणीतून आपण एकमेकाला डिस्कशन जसं आपलं डिस्कशन करून आपण सांगत असतो. त्या डिस्कशनवर सांगत असतो नवीन पोलीस अधिकारी ट्रान्सफर होणं येतं. एक क्राईम अगेन्स्ट